why did I even do this? I already knew. You guys, so today's video is so fun to me because if y'all watch Love Island USA, you know of PPG, okay? Jana, Leah, and Serena. And I low-key want to do like a little series copying their makeup tutorial because they have it on TikTok. So I was just like, I don't know. I love makeup. They did a tutorial. Let's just go ahead and do it. So first up is Janae's. And I went ahead and put the lashes on like she normally does, like the big fluffy lashes. That's kind of what I did today. So that's why it looks a little bit more dramatic than normal. But we're just going to follow her TikTok routine and just see what it ends up looking like at the end. Okay, so I'm really excited for this. If y'all want to see the other ones, Serena's and Leah's, let me know as well down below. So first things first, I noticed that she didn't mention any products in the video. Like her and Serena have this thing about like not mentioning products unless you're paying them, in period. I feel that. She mentioned Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. That's the only product she mentions. And then after that, Serena's like, cut the camera, no more. So the only one I have is the St. James sunscreen. You guys know I use this like all the time. So we're just gonna use a little bit of this on the face. Just gonna take this and just apply all over. And even though it's raining today, I'm like, I still need to go ahead and apply this because it just, I don't know, once you start, you can't stop at this point.
Starting with my primer, it is Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I literally use this religiously.
Not free promo.
Oh.
So before we even get into this, my good sis let us know right away she don't do makeup. She doesn't know much about makeup. So we can't judge her too hard. Some stuff I was like, but we can't judge her, okay? So yeah, let's get into the next step.
So first, when I do my eyebrows, you guys, I literally make myself look like Helga because I have like 13 strands of hair. And I've always...
So she draws on her brows. Usually I come on camera with my brows drawn. I usually have like a whole step when it comes to like my brows. So typically I do like a fluffy brow, but she literally just draws hers in. So we're just gonna copy that, okay? Literally draw your brows in. And it's gonna be a little bit darker than what I normally go for, but this is not my makeup tutorial. This is Janae's makeup tutorial, okay?
I always dreamed of having like 30 strands, maybe 50, I don't know. That's what it looked like.
But when it comes to like the girls and the guys, like which one is your favorite? Let me know because like I literally cannot pick. I love every single one of them. Like they're everything. And then like the guys as well, like I really love Cordell. He's so funny. If y'all don't follow him on TikTok, y'all are missing out. I'm telling you right now.
And then I just put this all over my face. I'm not gonna hold you. Okay, yeah. Something like that, right?
So she didn't mention what foundation she used, so I'm just gonna use something new, or not new, but I've had in my collection for a minute. This is a Pat McGrath foundation, and I completely forgot about it. Like, completely forgot about it. I'm just gonna take some of this and just apply it on the face. Did she squirt it on her face? Let me see. So she kind of squirted it on her face. I'm so scared it's gonna like spray all over me. God, I told y'all. I knew it. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little, okay. Girl, why did I even do this? I already knew. Let's just go ahead and blend, okay? She didn't show herself blending it, but I'm just gonna blend this into the skin because this is getting a little bit messy. I can't take myself serious with like that foundation on my forehead just dripping like that. I'm looking crazy. Oh my goodness. I really like this foundation. It looks like skin. Like it literally looks so good. I'm so mad that I stopped using it. Like, what? Wow. Now we're gonna move on to her concealer. This part really got me. I was like, Janae girl. But that's how she does it. So let me play it.
And I'm not even kidding you guys. This is the part that I don't want y'all to know about me. I put a bunch on my forehead. Like people put it on their hand, like on a palette. That's a waste. Put it on your forehead. It's gonna go on your forehead.
So she puts her concealers on her forehead. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. This is so different. Okay, let me just put a bunch. Because she only did it one time. and then use all of it on the rest of her face.
Forehead, eventually. So I was like, just put it there first. This is the part, dude, I want to say yes. Okay, I will draw like a 3-year-old in kindergarten, whatever age you're supposed to be in kindergarten. My eyebrows. Yeah, no, and I need someone to teach me how to do my makeup. You see, like, I kinda like it. Not gonna just is good enough for me. Watching this on camera is crazy because I legit look like a clown. You see how I just like draw? Like, canvas, that was a lot, so just leave it. Just literally, you could, I'm not gonna hold you, like, yeah, bring it around town, just like that. A cramp. Oh, that's the arch. There. Oh, this is black.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I look a little bit crazy, but she did say to go ahead and just put the concealer where you feel like it. So put it where you feel like it. That's what I'm doing. Shoot. All right, so we're gonna do that. So basically, she just blends out after that, you guys. So we're just gonna blend out too as well. I'm kind of scared that the concealer is gonna settle. So let's just do that. We're gonna blend into the skin. And in case you're wondering what concealer I'm using, she's actually using the Maybelline one. Like, she didn't mention it, but like, I know my products at this point. But I cannot find mine, you guys. Like, I moved and I can't find it. All right, so let's blend up here real quick. Like, I don't really carve my brows out anymore. I like that fluffy brow look, you know what I mean? So let's see what this is giving. This makeup is really giving me like 2016 days. Am I correct? 2016 days. Like, I used to do my makeup just like this. And it's actually gonna look good. I feel it. I feel it in my soul because she always looks good. So yeah.
You guys are probably like disgusted in my makeup routine right now. I'm really sorry for letting you guys down. I know it's giving she's a magician because how does her face look like that? And then this is the background. But maybe there's a makeup artist watching this, so like, baby, let me save you. Okay, then come save me. Because that bitch is drowning. But I can swim. Okay, next. You know when girls go like this? I've always wanted to do that. Oh, why would I do that? I get this little one that, yes, I need to wash my makeup brushes, leave me alone. I put that much on, is that a lot? I don't know if you tell me. I really like, that's way too much. No. No.
I'm just doing the same thing she did. I think she just like pressed the powder. I can't tell if she's baking. I think she's baking. We're gonna figure this out in a second, but I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. Just put it all over my forehead like she did right here. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together.
My makeup brush broke. Like, wow, this bitch is broke. I liked that it broke because I can put my hand there. So, is this contour? Is that what this is, you guys? When it's darker on the outsides or whatever? Cook or talk? No.
Is that like the cheek part?
Did you call it cheap?
Cheek.
Oh.
Cheek.
And then I literally just like blended it.
So she kind of like bronzes her face a little bit. So we're just gonna do the same exact thing, bring some color to this face of ours. Okay, I really wish you mentioned the products she was using so I could like try to get the exact same products, but it's fine. We're just doing the same exact steps with what we have. Okay, that way you don't have to go out and buy new things. I'm just gonna bronze a little bit.
One day I'm gonna have Kenny do my makeup. I feel like, what if he ends up doing my makeup better than me? Be surprised. Yeah, this is my makeup routine, guys.
Okay, so she's just basically like blending everything together with her pressed powder. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing and just blend everything together. At this point, I don't think she has on the baking powder anymore. I can't really tell. So I'm gonna remove it in a second, but for now, let's just blend everything into the skin. And tell me why this is like low-key, not even low-key, high-key eaten. Okay, this looks so good. I'm actually going to remove the powder because I don't think she has it on her face anymore.
anyway, and it will still come out approachable enough for a guy to want to pull you for a chat. Okay, one thing I live for is eyeliner.
Okay, so she added some eyeliner in the inner corner of her eyes and also on the bottom as well. I usually don't wear eyeliner. I cannot talk today, y'all, I swear. But we're gonna do it. So we're gonna take this and just put it in the inner corner like she did. It's a little dry. Hold up. It's a little dry. That's a little dry. Give me 1 second. So I'm just gonna use like a liquid eyeliner and put that in there instead, because that other one was so dry, y'all. It was so dry. And she doesn't do like any wing or anything, just like in the inner corner. So that's just what I'm gonna do as well. And she also does it like on the bottom part of her eye. I'm just gonna have to like low-key scrape my under eye because this is so dry. Let's just see if we can get some type of pigment here. I mean, that's good enough. That's as good as it's gonna get. Boom. Let's see the last step.
Okay, lip liner. Did you guys know that all the makeup is kind of the same? So we're like, yeah, we have lip liners, but you could also use the one for your eyebrow as your lip liner. Like, watch, ready? This is the bottom. Ooh, eyebrow pencil as my top, and it's like, can you tell? Oh, actually, you can tell. Oh, actually, actually looks really bad. I just learned how to do lips, and I'm about to do this, and you're gonna be like, that's not how you do lips. Put it in the middle, just like that. Like, yes, you guys, please stop judging me, please. And then we go.
So I'm just using my blush, y'all. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Limited Silk in the shade 65, because you know I love this so much. And I also tap it in too as well on my lips. And she has like some type of gloss on her lips. I don't have any next to me right now, but we're just gonna use like something, you know, a little something. Okay. And we're done. I think this only took me like 30 minutes, if that, to film. It's super fast. Like, we didn't add any blush on the face. We didn't add any highlighter. I didn't see a setting spray. So this is what it's given right now, and I think it still looks good. It's just a little bit more dramatic than what I normally go for. But I mean, it's a baddie makeup tutorial, so it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, I really like this. I really like how this turned out with the braids. I think it's eaten so bad. So yeah, let me know if y'all want me to do Serena's next. I think Serena's makeup is kind of similar to mine, so I'm really excited for that one. If y'all want to see it, just let me know, okay? And yeah, if y'all like it, make sure you hit that like subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.